Hello Nambatso Dishdele. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Sonam. So today I'm going to show you very beautiful place that is called Disneyland in France. So you will see each and everything. So I will show you. You can enjoy with me watching this video. So guys, I'm going to describe you how to buy ticket and how to get cheap price for visiting this place. So we are getting a very cheap price of ticket with the help of those people who are working in Disneyland already. So we also got help from our people. So that's why we got very good price. So if you want to get very cheap price, so you need maximum 3%. So each person €35, and you have chance to visit only one park, so you can choose any of these. Then if you want to visit both of parks, so you will get €60 for each person, so that you can visit two parks at the same time. So when you are going inside, you are not allowed to take outside food. So now we are going inside to see. So this side is the first park, and we are going to see Mickey Mouse. So this mentioned also Mickey Disneyland. So inside there are so many theaters, so you can choose any of play you want. One more thing, you are not allowed to take outside food inside, so that's why, but you can buy snacks at station and drinks also, but not alcohol is not allowed inside. So guys, now I will show you. So my favorite part over here is the Disney Mickey Mouse and Frozen. So here is the Mickey Mouse. See here mentioned Disney Studio. When we go inside, so we will meet all the shops and restaurant, and see, so beautiful. Now guys, come on, join with me. So when you go inside, you will find left and right side both are full of restaurant and shops, so you can do shopping which one you want, but it's quite expensive. So after finishing all these shops and restaurant, so end of this place you will find house number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. So in this you will see outside there, they also mentioned which type of play they are going to play, so that's why you can choose whichever you like. For example, this is Studio 2, you can see, and we are going to watch Mickey Mouse Magic. There are lots of theaters also, so you can choose what kind of creatures and characters you like to watch. So all this animation is very interesting also. So now we are in line to watch Mickey Mouse. We have to wait all the people gathered here, and then we are allowed to go inside. It's very interesting. So see you. So now everyone are here. So guys, see you. 在怎么能怎么去呢？才学的呢？俺的老跟在那了，要么동도 도야마 도에로 시도들이셔 대신에 사실 님도 상호 맡은 데도 지금 신한 사실이셔 아야 대표님 땡긴다 Now going to show you this Hollywood Tower. It's very terrific, very terrifying. Otherwise it's not horror, so it is very exciting, but I'm very happy. Finally I like this game. It was interesting, but we are not got to go inside because of my brother and sisters are very afraid of our terror towel, so that's why we are not able to go, but we will going after. So you guys enjoy this also. This is Aladdin ride, so we are riding on Aladdin. So it is, so we have to do up and down. It's depend on individual, so don't be afraid to ride. Enjoy guys. Now this is Frozen, one of my favorite show, so I hope everyone like this same as me. So you guys enjoy. Okay guys, now we have finished our first park, so we are going out to have something because inside is very expensive to eat, so we are going outside, so we have to eat something. There's a McDonald's and other restaurants, so you can enjoy with me. So McDonald's not so expensive, so it's same price wherever you go, so that's why it's a good economic for everyone. So thank you guys for watching. So I will show you second part. Bye.